What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to find airdrop files received here into your iPhone device. Let's say that for instance, you've received a specific photo or a different file format here sent to you through airdrop and you're unable to find it. You're having a hard time finding that specific file. I'm going to show you how to locate it here on your iPhone in no time so you can actually access and open that specific file. But do not forget, if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, as it really helps me out reaching out to more people and consequently help more people fixing their tech related issues. Now, without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So here we go. I've got in here my iPhone 16 Pro, and first things first, let me quickly turn on my airdrop in here because I'm gonna be receiving here a specific file. Okay, let me tap on airdrop. I'm gonna tap on everyone for 10 minutes. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send here from a different phone my file, which is going to be, for example, here, just to showcase it to you guys, an image. Okay, let me tap on airdrop and then let me quickly type in my iPhone device. As you can see, I do have in here something that showed up within my dynamic island telling me that I'm receiving a picture, and automatically the picture has been saved into my photo library and it has launched automatically. Now, please notice that if you're receiving a file from a device that you usually keep on receiving from, it's going to land directly and it's not going to ask you whether you wish to save or not. Now, if you're receiving a file from a brand new device or a brand new contact, that specific file, before reaching into your iPhone, you'll be able to see a pop-up in here saying, hey, do you wish to allow to receive that file or not? Okay, so in my case, I wasn't able to see that pop-up because I've been receiving files from my another device regularly and frequently. That's why it just fell into my iPhone. Now, depending on the format file or the type of file that you're receiving, that specific file can be saved in different locations. For example, if you're receiving a photo, it will be automatically saved into photos, and if you're receiving videos as well, the process is exactly the same. Now, if you're receiving a different format, let's say a zip file, a RAR file, or a PowerPoint document or something like that, it's going to ask you where you wish to save that specific file. For example, right now I'm going to share a different file format here into my iPhone device, and let's see whether it's going to allow me to save it easily or not. So here we go. I'm receiving a zip file. Okay, we do have an archive and it has automatically saved into my file. So there we go. I'm going to tap on X and it's located here within file. Now, in order for me to access it, I just need to bring down the search bar and then simply search for files. Once you tap on files, you'll be able to see here within recent or browse, naturally go back all the way to downloads or anywhere else, such as, for example, on my iPhone. So you need to search for it, but it usually stays here within downloads real quick. Here is my zip file. That's how easy you can find it here. If it doesn't land anywhere else different from photos, it definitely landed within files over there. Now, please note that in some scenarios when the format is very strange and different, it asks you whether you wish to save on files or not. It's going to ask you, hey, where do you wish to save that specific file? And you can actually tap on email or WhatsApp if you wish to directly forward it to somebody on your iPhone device or social media platforms. But please note that in most cases, if it's a photo or video, it's going to be saved here within photos. And if it's a different file, like an audio file, a music file, it will definitely be saved here within files. And you just need to search and tweak around files in order to find your specific file. So this was it for today, guys. If you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts so we can discuss further. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.